For this video, I'm going to show you how to add a PIN number to your receiver for your City 2 or any of the plug-in MR2 receivers for the V2 range. So previously we had programmed a PIN number which was 1379, and you can see both lights light up. So now that I've added the PIN number to the keypad, I just need to add that to our receiver. So just like with a remote, we will press the receiver button the number of times for the channel that we want. So for our keypad here, I just want the keypad to give our control board a start function. So that's just channel 1. So I just press the receiver button once, and you'll see a receiver flash 1, pause, 1, pause. Then I just enter in my PIN number. And there you are, we've added that PIN number to the receiver. So once the light stops flashing, we can enter in our PIN number, and there you go. So that's how you add your keypad to your receiver.